Always trust your gut. I almost didn't come up here to this magical place this morning. And guess what I saw? I saw a mother bear in her two baby bear cubs running across the road in front of my car. I had to slow down to not hit the second one. Oh my gosh. But mystical happening. If I hadn't listened to my gut, I wouldn't have come up here because I was like, oh, it's easier to just not drive 7 miles up a cliff. And it's so gorgeous here. Oh my God. I mean, look at this. It's absolutely, oh, look at this. So if your gut says it, even if it's inconvenient, I was talking to my friend Linda. Thank you, Linda. It is harder. She reminded me it is inconvenient to listen to your gut because you think, oh, it's easier if I do it this way, etc., etc. So I won't do it. But my gut led me here and I got to see wild bears. Wow. That gives you a different spin on life to see a mother bear with her two baby cubs running after her. So whatever it is in life, trust your gut, follow what your heart is saying, and even if it's more difficult, there's going to be something good about it that you don't know. So, hey, if this resonates for you, like, share, subscribe. I'd love to see you on my channel. I answer every single comment. So,